channel. In today's video we're going to do a pretty little thing haul. It's been a minute since I've done one and I have a few pieces here to show you guys. So let's not do too much talking. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's my bag right here. You guys can see that they have a special edition bag for Christmas. It has the Xmas list on it. I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and open it up. I don't have that many pieces, but I'm excited for the ones that I do have because y'all know Pretty Little Thing always comes with the good. I don't know why I did that. Where do we start? Okay, so the first thing that I see here literally looks like a mop right out of the bag, but I of course know exactly what this is. It's a like shaggy cardigan, and this is really on trend. Wow, I didn't know this was gonna feel like this. Ooh, obviously this is a first impression haul. First of all, this color, I believe they call it stone. Yes, this is the stone shaggy knit long line cardigan. I got mine in the size medium. I couldn't decide if I wanted to get the long line one or the one that was shorter. I chose the long line one and it looks like this. Of course I'll try it on for you guys. But yeah, it's like long sleeve and it's shaggy and it's stone. And yeah, this actually seems like it's going to keep you really warm, or maybe not, because it also kind of like, it's like knitted, so it has holes in between it. Seems like something that like somebody could actually knit for you. They knew what they were doing. This is definitely like really on trend right now. It feels like it's a blanket. It also seems like it's going to get everywhere, which is unfortunate. You could never have too many cardigans in your wardrobe, and I really like the color of this one. I thought it was kind of like a rendition of a fur coat or like a fur jacket, you know. So I'll try this on for you guys to see how it fits. So we're starting off with the fur. It's like you want to call it fur, but it's not fur. It's a knit shaggy cardigan, right? So this is what it looks like. First of all, I love the color. It actually does make me pretty warm, which I do like about that too. This is what it looks like. This is how it's actually really long, but you know, like a good size, like how a normal cardigan would be long. And the sleeves are like perfectly long. They stay down really great too. I like that. Like, you guys keep seeing me looking around crazy. It's because like there's this weird like fuzz in the air, and it's definitely coming from the jacket, but it's like, what could be shedding? Because it's not like these little things shed. But anyway, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, here's a close-up of the detail of the cardigan. Like I said, it's keeping me semi-warm. Yes, I like this. Like, I could wear this with what I'm wearing right now. Okay, next item. This is the Shape Dark Camel Slinky Flared Trousers. Ooh, I love pants. I got this in this, and I believe a UK size 10. Ooh, first of all, I love the Slinky material. Like I told you guys, this is from the Shape line. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically for people who have an hourglass figure, you know, a little body yaddy. Y'all know I don't have a body yaddy. I'm more like a stick yaddy. But you know, it's okay because it really squeezes what you wish was there. So oh yeah, these are just like basically plain nude pants, and I believe they're like flared at the bottom, so that's cool. These should fit really well, and you can probably pair this with a lot of things. Also, this is like lined really well, so it's not just like one thin material. These are definitely not see-through. That's really nice. Okay, it's kind of hard to show you guys the full fit here, but I think you can kind of see it in the back there. Here are the camel pants. Like I said, these are from the Shape line, so they fit perfectly as far as like, they fit your waist, they fit your hips, they fit your butt. I actually thought for a second I wasn't going to be able to fit them because they were a little bit difficult to get on. I feel like I kind of could have went up a size because they're, I don't know, it's like they kind of fit perfectly, but at the same time, I feel like I could have maybe gone up a size. They fit comfortably, but it's like this section right here, it kind of just doesn't fit, you know, thing are long enough. Thank you God, that's so rare to find long pants. If you guys don't know, I'm like 5'10" and a half, almost 5'11", so it's really hard to find long pants for tall girls. So I do like these. I think that these are going to be also really good for the springtime as well. Like, they're not just good for fall. I thought it was going to make my booty pop a little bit more, but it doesn't. I mean, it's not the pants' fault, but like, you know, a girl can dream. I don't have on the right underwear for these pants, but you get the point. Next item is the Khaki Slinky High Neck Long Sleeve Crop. Ooh, I think I know exactly what I want to wear this with. If I can remember. I don't remember getting this, but let's look at it. Let's see. It's again that slinky material. I love this material. Sorry about that, y'all. My camera randomly stopped on its own. We were talking about this khaki slinky high neck long sleeve crop top. That's like the longest name ever. But I was saying that I really like the slinky material. I think it's really nice for like the fall and winter time because it's different than knit and you can dress it up as well. So yeah, I like this. It's just a nice mock crop top. I told myself I was going to stop buying crop tops. I'm kind of over crop tops, but this doesn't look too cropped. I guess if you do a little bit of a crop with like some high-waisted and it's not showing that much skin, I think this would actually look really good with those pants and the shaggy. Like that's a whole fit right there. So I'm going to show you guys that. And it's gonna be cute. Okay, I'll show you that all together. Here we have the all slinky outfit. So like I told you guys, I really do like the length of this crop top because you can see that it's barely showing any midsection. It's like that perfect length actually of a crop top, so I'm not too mad at it. The sleeves on this are a little bit short. I wanted to show you guys what the top looked like by itself, but this is how I would probably style it with all of these layered necklaces because you can see that it just adds a little bit something to it. I really like the way that this makes my body look, you know? It just makes me look like put together. It's something that I wouldn't mind wearing to class, but I would also wear out. And see how this is just a fit? This is a whole fit, y'all. What should we do next? Olive vibe, nude vibes, camel vibes, earth tone vibes. I love this. This is such a look, you know what I'm saying? Like for fall time, simple, neutral, casual, like not too much. I mean, y'all know me. This next item is a champagne satin button front shirt. Okay, that's so hard for me to say. I got this in the size medium, and that's because you guys know that trend where people have been getting button-up shirts and they wear it off their shoulders. I've done it once or twice before, but I don't have that many shirts to do it with, so I got this one because I thought it would be really pretty. And I really like it. I think it would probably look good with the blonde and really just, you know, shine. I think this is also really cute for like the holiday season because imagine wearing this to a holiday party. Cute, right? With like a red lip. I think this is really cute. So yeah, this is a really nice, like it's really structured. But I'm going to wear mine off the shoulder. I'll show you how in the next clip. What do you guys think? I'm not sure. I've done a top like this before. I don't know if it's because it's like this silky material. It's like I like it even with like the nude pants. Like this is low-key a look. This is high-key a look. But I don't know. Is it a lot with the hair and, you know, like maybe this is actually, and I rarely say this, but I think this may be a look that would look bomb with black hair. I don't know. I'm not really sure. But I do think I like the quality of the shirt regardless. You could kind of button it up and then have it tied. That's also a cute look like this. I'm trying to get my thoughts out because it's like I like it, but it's like weird at the same time. I think I would just do different colored bottoms. I think the all light is just like a lot. But let me know down below. Would you guys do the blonde with the champagne with the nude? Or would you switch it up and do like some dark on the bottom? Maybe like a pop of color? Maybe I could have on like the maroon pants that I had on before. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Like how would you style this? Do you like it? Would you style it all nude or something else? Let me know. Can you guys believe that I'm already on my last piece? Like, yeah, I told you guys I didn't get that much stuff, but I definitely want to show you what I did get. So my last piece is another olive item. This is the khaki tie detail ribbed midi skirt. Oh, I know exactly what this is. Looks like this. I can't believe I don't already have an olive skirt. It's midi. It actually looks really long and it has these like strings on the side. Have to look at the model to see how she wore it. I'll leave the model right here and then I'll try it on. I'm actually going to try this on with the top like this. I didn't plan on this being a fit, but a lot of my stuff goes together because, you know, it's like these neutral earth tones. So that's really cute. I must have another olive skirt in my collection. I cannot believe this is my first time getting an olive skirt. Like, what? This cannot be my first time. I love it. I really like this piece. You can tie it multiple ways, I'm sure, but I really like this way. I like how it cinches you in at the waist. Not that you really like need it because obviously it's elastic, but it's a nice small detail, you know, nothing that adds color or too much, just a nice cute simple cinch. You guys can see in the back mirror here that it comes really long. It's below my knees, so if you're a shorter girl, this is going to be like a mid-axie type skirt for you. If you're like 3-4 inches shorter than me, it's going to be like by your calves because it's like right underneath my knees, but I like this length. For me, it's really comfortable. I will show you guys around, but for some reason the tag is like right in the middle of my butt, so just ignore that. But it fits perfectly. I got the perfect size, and I really like it along with the top now. I think that, I don't know if I would wear this together, but I do think that it shows me that when you wear this with something else, it doesn't seem as much, like, you know. All of my pieces go together because this was such like a neutrals basic haul. Like, I like this. I like all of this stuff. Like, you could literally wear each piece with each other. That's how you do it. Link in description box down below. Make sure you shop my links. So I know this haul was short, but it was really hard for me to get my hands on the pieces that I really wanted because everything was sold out. If you guys like Pretty Little Thing hauls for me, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and you can check out the fashion playlist. I'll leave it up in the cards right now. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. Did I just say that twice? I think so. I can't remember. But if you're not already, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!